Hi there. Welcome to another episode of Evidence-Based Medicine. Today's topic is the appraisal of the evidence of prognostic articles, the evidence of prognosis. Last time, we discussed the diagnostic evidence, and here is one relevant question. See whether you are capable of giving a correct answer. If not, please refer to the previous presentation. The question would be something like this. The prevalence of diabetes among adults is reported as 6.1% in Kyrgyzstan and 11% in Turkey. How would the performance of the fasting blood glucose test in diagnosing diabetes change in Turkey compared to Kyrgyzstan? So you should be aware that the sensitivity, specificity, positive predictive value, negative predictive value, these indicators of the test performance may change according to the prevalence. Which of them is actually, the question asks, which of them is more affected from the prevalence of the disease? If the disease is low prevalence compared to a higher prevalence condition, what would be the consequence? Okay. Today, my objectives are to discuss the appraisal of the validity of a prognostic evidence. If you watched the previous presentations, you will recognize that the structure is very similar in these concomitant presentations. So validity, then the importance of this valid, if we have a valid evidence, importance of this evidence, how important it is, and the applicability, that the applicability of your evidence to your own context or conditions. I will make a break here